Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we delve into the transformative topic of manifesting love and connection, aiming to guide you in bringing your loved ones back into your life. The purpose here is to empower you with the tools and insights necessary to attract the relationships you desire, whether it's rekindling a romance or strengthening a bond with a friend or family member. As you embark on this emotional journey, you can expect to navigate through feelings of hope, longing, and ultimately fulfillment. It's essential to recognize that the process of manifestation is deeply intertwined with your beliefs and the power of visualization. By cultivating a strong belief in your ability to attract love, you set the stage for positive changes in your life. Visualization techniques will help you create a vivid mental picture of the love and connection you seek, making it easier to align your energy with your desires. Join us as we explore these concepts and take the first steps toward manifesting the love you truly deserve. Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts and intentions into reality, and it plays a crucial role in attracting the love and connections you desire. At its core, manifestation involves aligning your beliefs and emotions with your goals, allowing you to create the relationships you envision. However, it's important to recognize that past experiences can significantly influence your current feelings and desires. Memories of previous relationships, both positive and negative, can shape your expectations and emotional responses, often leading to self-doubt or fear. To effectively manifest love, it's essential to acknowledge these influences while also working to release them. Letting go of doubts and limiting beliefs is vital in enhancing your manifestation power. When you free yourself from the weight of past disappointments, you open up space for new possibilities and connections. Embrace the idea that you are worthy of love and that your desires are valid. By focusing on positive affirmations and visualizations, you can shift your mindset and attract the fulfilling relationships you seek. To effectively prepare for the manifestation technique, it's essential to create an environment conducive to focus and tranquility. Begin by finding a quiet, undisturbed space where you can fully immerse yourself in the practice without distractions. This could be a cozy corner of your home, a peaceful outdoor setting, or anywhere you feel comfortable and at ease. Once you've chosen your space, take a moment to encourage relaxation and cultivate a calm mindset. You might consider engaging in a brief meditation or gentle stretching to release any tension in your body. As you settle into your chosen spot, remember to focus on your breathing. Deep, intentional breaths can significantly enhance your experience, helping to center your thoughts and clear your mind. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This rhythmic breathing not only calms your nervous system but also aligns your energy with your intentions. By preparing in this way, you set a strong foundation for the manifestation process, allowing your desires to flow more freely into your reality. As you begin the visualization process, I encourage you to picture your specific person in your mind's eye, imagining them with a warm, welcoming smile that radiates love and affection. This smile is not just a facial expression, it embodies the joy and connection you share. Take a moment to notice the details of their appearance, perhaps the color of their eyes, the way their hair falls, or the unique features that make them who they are. Pay attention to the energy they exude. Feel the warmth and positivity that surrounds them, creating a sense of comfort and familiarity. As you visualize, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of eye contact. Imagine locking eyes with your loved one, feeling the depth of your emotional connection. This eye contact fosters intimacy and understanding, allowing you to truly connect on a deeper level. Allow yourself to feel the emotions that arise during this visualization: love, happiness, and gratitude. As you immerse yourself in this moment, reinforcing the bond you wish to manifest in your reality. To strengthen your emotional connection with your loved one, it's essential to tap into the feelings of love and desire they have for you. As you visualize, allow yourself to truly feel the warmth of their affection enveloping you as if they are right there beside you. Imagine their desire for you, the way they cherish your presence, and how deeply they care for you. Next, guide your mind to hear their voice expressing their feelings and intentions. Picture them telling you how much they appreciate you, sharing their hopes for your relationship, and affirming their commitment to you. This auditory connection enhances the emotional bond you share. Finally, take a moment to visualize a future together. filled with love, joy, and commitment. Imagine the moments you will share, laughter, adventures, and quiet evenings together. See yourselves supporting each other through life's challenges and celebrating each other's successes. By immersing yourself in these feelings and images, you reinforce the emotional connection, making it more tangible and real, paving the way for the love you desire to manifest in your life. As you continue with your visualization, I encourage you to relive the experience until it feels undeniably real. Immerse yourself in the details, allowing the emotions and sensations to wash over you as if you are truly living this moment. Repeat this visualization regularly, reinforcing the images and feelings associated with your loved one and the life you envision together. Pay close attention to your feelings and desires during this process. Notice the joy, excitement, and love that arise within you. These emotions are powerful indicators of your alignment with your desires. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. By accepting this visualization as your new reality, you begin to shift your mindset and energy toward attracting what you truly want. Embrace the belief that this love and connection are not just possibilities, but are meant for you. Trust in your ability to manifest these experiences and let go of any doubts that may arise. The more you accept this vision as your reality, the more you align yourself with the love and connection you seek, bringing it closer to fruition. After completing your visualization, it's important to take actionable steps that align with the feelings and intentions you cultivated. Start by communicating your needs and desires to your loved one. Open, honest conversations can deepen your connection and help both of you understand each other better. Share your feelings and what you envision for your relationship, creating a space for mutual understanding and growth. Additionally, remind yourself to be open to receiving love and connection in all its forms. Sometimes, love comes in unexpected ways, so stay receptive to the opportunities that arise. To reinforce your intentions, I suggest repeating the visualization daily for 28 days. This consistent practice will help solidify your desires in your subconscious mind, making it easier to attract the love you seek. Each day, immerse yourself in the feelings of joy and connection, allowing them to guide your actions and interactions. By committing to this practice, you not only strengthen your manifestation efforts, but also cultivate a mindset that welcomes love and connection into your life. In summary, we've explored the vital components of manifesting love and connection, emphasizing the importance of belief, visualization, and emotional connection. Your belief in your ability to attract love sets the foundation for your manifestation journey. Visualization allows you to create a vivid mental picture of the relationship you desire, while fostering an emotional connection deepens your experience and aligns your energy with your intentions. As you move forward, remember to embrace these practices consistently to enhance your manifestation power. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from this content. Your engagement not only supports our community but also helps spread the message of love and connection. Additionally, feel free to explore our related videos on manifestation and love, where you can find more insights and techniques to further enrich your journey. Together, let's continue to cultivate the love and relationships we desire, empowering ourselves and each other along the way. Thank you for being part of this journey.